Unlock a new era of debt repayment by leveraging the power of XRP to settle your JPMorgan Chase credit card bills online. First, ensure you have a secure digital wallet where your XRP stored will guide you through the process of accessing your XRP and preparing it for conversion. This usually involves navigating to your wallet send or transfer function. Next, you'll need to convert your XRP into traditional currency. This is typically done through a cryptocurrency exchange that lists XRP and allows for fiat withdrawal. Select your desired fiat currency, commonly USD, and initiate the sale of your XRP. Once your XRP is sold, you'll have fiat available in your exchange account. Now, you'll need to withdraw these funds. Navigate to the withdrawal section of your exchange and select your preferred withdrawal method, which could be a bank transfer or a linked debit card. After your fiat funds arrive in your bank account or are accessible via your linked card, log into your JPMorgan Chase online account. Locate the payment section for your credit card. Here, you'll choose to make a payment. You can typically link your bank account directly to Chase for electronic fund transfers, or if you withdrew to a debit card, you might have the option to pay using the card as a funding source. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter the payment amount and confirm the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation for your credit card payment, signifying a successful debt settlement using your AX-derived funds. This method provides a modern alternative for managing your credit card obligations.